Hey everybody, Tim Stewart here at Sunset Ford on the corner of Gravois and Lindbergh, talking to you today about the SCA level kit trucks that we have in stock. I currently have 5 of these in stock. I've got it in red, black, white, this Velocity blue one here, as well as magnetic gray. So I've got a little bit of everything in stock. With these trucks, they still qualify for a lifetime powertrain warranty because it's only a level kit. So you're only going 2 inches in the front, leveling off the back end of the truck. You're gonna have a custom 20-inch wheel on these trucks. You're gonna have custom off-road style tires on them. They all are built on XLT Sport Appearance packages, so they've got the body colored bumpers, they've got the darker tarnished look on the running boards, they've all got spray and bed liners and bed steps on them, so they're great as far as the option package on them. And then SCA, Southern Comfort of America, takes it up a notch, levels that truck off, puts some custom looks on the vehicle, and goes from there. On the exterior, obviously, like I said, you've got the body colored bumper, but the big thing to look at as far as what they do to the truck is they put a custom wheel on the truck. These are 20-inch wheels, and they put a 20-inch 305/55 all-terrain tire on them. Gives you a more aggressive tread look on there, but still, with it being only a 2-inch lift, still going to be nice and easy to get in and out of for people that aren't as tall, but also not going to tower over everybody on the road. Give us a call here, 314-467-1124. Tim Stewart talking to you about specialty trucks here at Sunset.